teach you how to make a good deck that, is powerful. So, first, I think you should use powerful cards like EXs, like a Kyurem EX, or a GX, like Blastoise and Piplup GX. Now, you might be thinking, well, is that really it? Well, no. If you're building a steel deck, you might want to use a Solgaleo. But then, you can put your Meltan on your bench, and then if you pull a Metal, you can evolve it, and then you can use that if your Solgaleo gets knocked out. Or another example is, you have your mighty powerful Charizard GX that you just evolved, but you need a card that can sit on the bench and wait for it and, get it good. Well, if you were building a water fire deck, a good card to use is something like Shining Volcanion. It's really powerful, but only takes one prize card, and it's got free retreat costs, so it's pretty good. Or another card that you could use in your deck is a card like Golisopod GX. A reason I like this one is because if you have a card like Wimpod on the bench, I think I can show you one if it's in my deck. Okay. Well, if you have a card like Wimpod on your bench, then you can evolve it into Golisopod, and let's say your opponent has a Solgaleo out, you can hit them with a First Impression. Does 90 more damage on if your thing was on the bench and then you attacked, which means Solgaleo would be taking 120 damage, and then after that you could use another one to do 150, and since this takes 3 turns to charge up, your thing is more likely to beat it than it is to beat you. And also you would probably put some energy on it before that as well. But yeah, that is a good way to make a good deck, and that is me signing off.